Insurance. This chapter gives you some background to insurance. Businesses and companies need insurance to protect themselves against the risks that might stop them doing business. Small businesses are even more vulnerable to the impact of these risks because our cash is already stretched and then cannot be used for unexpected spending. It always costs money to reduce risk, and getting insurance cover allows you to spend less money over a longer period of time to avoid or mitigating the risk if they come up. There are only two mandatory or required insurances for business. These are employers' liability insurance, which covers your employees for instances of illness caused as a result of their duties, and motor insurance, which is required for the operation of a car, van, lorry, or other vehicle. Other suggested insurances include key man insurance and income protection. Key man insurance. This form of insurance cover pays a benefit to the business if a key employee is lost through death or incapacity that would otherwise result in financial hardship for the business. A smart investor is likely to ask the company to purchase key man insurance so that if you, as the main person in control of the business day to day, is incapacitated or dies during your tenure at the business, then they will receive cash to find somebody who can quickly take over the business and keep it going. This is usually only appropriate for key managers or directors who are essential to the business. But if you're in a quasi-partnership, it is worth looking into this form of insurance since you will want to be able to buy out those who inherit the shares from your company. You can only do that if you have the cash to be able to compensate them. Income protection and critical illness. Usually as a self-employed person, you can buy insurance to cover you if your income stops. And this could be as a result of an accident, sickness, unemployment, disability, or critical illness. These insurance policies provide for loss of income, medical bills, and key man replacement that would cover you either as an individual trader or within the business itself. Other insurances include building and contents insurance for the loss of property and your property within the property, business equipment insurance for the breakdown of computers, the loss of information, including email. Business interruption. This is for serious disruption, for example, after a fire or other issues. Public liability insurance. This covers accidents to members of the public or damage to property that occurs as a result of you or those that work for you's negligence. Product liability is relevant for claims of loss or damage or injury that are as a result of a product manufactured or supplied by your business. Professional indemnity. That is insurance for those professionals usually who give poor advice or act negligently in some way. It is required for certain professions such as law, accountancy, and financial services. Directors and officers insurance. This insurance protects individual directors directly from being sued over their actions as part of this company. And finally, legal expenses insurance. This covers legal expenses for tax, VAT, or other disputes that may end you up in court.